Hello? Welcome. Welcome. How y'all doing today on this fantastic, what's today?
Today's hump day.
Wednesday. Fantastic Wednesday. We got some crypto bubbles going on here. Doge, Rune, Anchor, FTM, Solana, KSM, Theta, VeChain, all up. And we have a very interesting stream today. So we want to talk about some things. So I'm Crypto Dave. I'm here to teach you and guide you through trading of crypto stocks and a little bit of construction knowledge. And I have to tell you that this is not financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm sitting here with Dibby today. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody.
All right, so the word of the day today is tokenomics. And I just wanted to look up the definition of that.
I don't think they can. You see this? Oh, yeah, they can.
Yeah. It's good. Hold up. All right, sorry about that, chat. I was trying to fix this technical difficulty we're having here.
Yeah, just that to the screen. That tab. Right.
There we go. All right, now we're doing things. All right, cool. So anyways, I wanted to check out tokenomics. If you are buying crypto, in the crypto market and you do not actually know what the definition of tokenomics is, or even slightly understand it, you should not be buying crypto. Okay, that's for all you safe moon folk, safe moon, safe Mars, safe star, moon token. I can't even remember them all. Okay, for all those people, if you don't know what tokenomics actually is, and not just a shilled word, because that's what Safe Moon does is they shill technical words out like they're doing stuff that they ain't doing. So, anyways, tokenomics is the study of how cryptocurrencies work within the broader ecosystem. This includes such things like token distribution, as well as how they can be used to incentivize positive behavior in the network. Okay, so today's episode is tokenomics versus technical analysis. So let's just check out what is technical analysis, just for the comparison. Technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities in price trends and patterns seen on charts. Technical analysis may be contracted with fundamental analysis, which focuses on a company's financials rather than historical price patterns or stock trends. So we know as traders that if you're in the stock market, you could either be a fundamental trader or you could be a technical trader. There's two kinds of trading. And then there's, obviously different types of trading, whether you're going to be a day trader or a swing trader or a long-term investor. Those are all the things for stocks. There's options and puts. There's plenty of other things too, but this is what I deal with. So with that being said, with the stock market, you usually either use fundamentals, technical analysis, or a combination of the two. In the coin market, the fundamental per se of the coin is the tokenomic. That's what the words convert to. Okay, so tokenomics are the fundamentals of the coin. So you really want to try to use technical analysis and tokenomics together, as two different tools that assist each other in coming up with, the best possible buy area at the time that you're trying to purchase. So going into tokenomics, one of the things that you can look at in tokenomics is the market. Dang, I'm losing it.
Market cap.
The market cap, yes. So I was thinking market supply, the max market supply. I was thinking of two different things, but yeah. So there's the market cap. You can go to Coin Market Cap, and at coinmarketcap.com, they show you the top 100 crypto or 200 crypto or whatever. They show them all.
No, they show them all, I think.
Yeah, but they go in order.
Yeah.
So you can see like the top 100 movers on the first page. So if you want to know some tokenomics about a specific asset that you're looking into, probably a coin, because that's what we're talking about, you're going to want to go to CoinMarketCap. You're going to want to go to CoinGecko. You're going to want to go to any of these different places that provide the tokenomic information that is needed to make a valued trade, right? Have you done much of this CoinMarketCap yourself?
Yeah, I actually use CoinMarketCap. I look at it almost every day, actually.
Yeah?
Looking up coins, yeah.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites too. I like CoinGecko. CoinGecko also has a trust rating. You should definitely check that out if you're a new trader. You don't want to buy a scam coin or a shit coin. I can bring that up here in a second. I'm just going to bring it up right now. I'll just bring it up on the next tab here. CoinGecko. So CoinGecko is just like CoinMarketCap. They provide all the same information pretty much. What you're looking for is the trust score. Now, I'm not really sure where that's at on here. Let me see. There's a trust score.
I'm clicking on one of the coins.
Yeah. Good point. Cardano. I'm bullish on Cardano ADA. It should have a trust score on here. Yep, trust score right here. So, you get a trust score from the exchange that it's listed on. Okay. So if you have an asset that is on Coinbase, it's on Bitfinex, it's on crypto.com, it's on Binance, it's on all these main, and I mean main exchanges. Um, not every exchange is going to carry every coin. So we know that. But if you're looking for a coin that you want to buy and you're not sure if it's a scam coin or not, look into CoinMarketCap. Look into CoinGecko. See if it has a trust score. If it's not listed even on one of these two websites, do not buy it. For real. Like, they are scamming your money. If it's not on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, they're scamming your money. Now, there is scam coins on probably on CoinMarketCap at least. I don't know about CoinGecko, but looking at these things like the market cap, the trust score, you're looking at something else you're looking for is the trading volume. You should have at least a 1 million trading volume for it to even be marketable, equitable, right? And your circulating supply is very, very important in tokenomics. So usually you would look for a circulating supply and a max circulating supply. And so the max circulating supply um, you don't want to, I mean, there's some assets that make an exception, but you really don't want to buy a coin that has no max circulating supply, aka Dogecoin. It's not like you can't make money on it, but it's highly, highly volatile and illiquid because if like they supposedly are producing or mining about 10,000 Doge a minute, you know, um, eventually when the hype of Doge goes down some, it's going to be producing more supply than the demand can keep up with. And that's what I see for the future for Dogecoin. Eventually, it's going to tank. And, it could keep going up, but I really don't see it going higher than $1 if it does hit $1 because Elon Musk pumped it. I mean, if it takes one of the most renowned billionaires in the world to have to shill this coin to all these people in order for people to buy it because it has no actual value, then it probably is not a good coin. Now, short term, I made money on Doge. He's made money on Doge. We've made money on Doge. I'm not down in it. If you're holding Doge, that's great. I hope it does well for you. But you know, we're interested in making money now, making money next week, making the money next month and 5 years from now. And since I've gotten into the market, I haven't lost. I haven't really lost. Not anything of my own money at all. So, coming into a new trader and doing your research pays off. It really can pay off. So we're going into the tokenomics, right? So you're looking for something that has a lower market cap, probably. If you're looking to get that moon, right? That's what everybody wants. Oh, I wanted the moon, man. Well, you're gonna have to find something that is a valued asset with a low market cap and a smaller circulating supply. Now, the only way that you don't need a smaller circulating supply is if your circulating supply, which is 32,063,405,555 right here, That's the circulating supply. That's what people own now. Okay. Then there's the max supply. So as these two numbers get closer to each other, it's going to drive up the price because there's less. Excuse me. There's less supply available, and we know with Bitcoin, as supply is low with certain assets. I mean, look at YFI. It's nuts. I mean, it was at like $700 not that long ago, and now it's at almost Bitcoin prices. How? Because look at the max supply of Wi-Fi. It's not 40 billion. So, um, I definitely think that knowing how to read charts is a skill, but simply just knowing the fundamentals of the coin, what does it do? Does it have any function? Some of these coins, they're money, but they're also so many things, and they do things that are world changing, and they're really great things. And people don't realize that, and they're out there buying these show coins to make money. But like, if you really invest in yourself and you take the time out to look into what money is going to be constant, it's going to be an asset that has a utility, long run. Right now, it's a new market. There's a lot of hype in the chat, a lot of hype in the chain, whatever. Every Facebook group that you're in that involves coin or stock is just, what should I buy? Where should I put my money? People shilling crap coins. You have scam bots. I can't tell you how many scam bots I've seen just putting shit out there and just hooking people in. Like, if you see 10 different people post about an asset, you're probably going to try to go buy that asset. Well, what if all 10 of those assets that were posted about were bots of different people? They weren't even real people. It's just a computer code that put that out there. Now you just bought into their scam, you know? I don't want to see that. I don't want people losing money. You want to talk? You say some things. You got something to say?
Yeah,
I do.
I think you said a lot of great things. Like the mixing the TA with the tokenomics. I think even just simple TA. Drawing a couple trend lines or something can help you find a good time to buy into something. Maybe see some good news on something, but maybe right at the time isn't to buy now. Maybe waiting a week or so to buy could really help. Or because obviously a TA trader wouldn't buy something that's 20% up on the day.
You don't want to buy something that's up 20% on the day. That's terrible. Right. What's that called?
Chasing.
What's another word for it that we know? FOMO.
Oh yeah, FOMO.
FOMO. Does anybody know what FOMO means? Just wondering. So I see a lot of people FOMO on Facebook, and a lot of my friends FOMO, and that's the fear of missing out, right? Like, oh no, someone else posted that their asset was up 75% today. Oh, I'm gonna go buy that. You're literally just giving your money to that person or to those people. Like, you gotta know not to buy when it's up 75% on the day. You need to buy when it's down, when it's on sale, right? When you go to the store and you see the nice shirt you want and it's on sale, and there's another nice shirt you want that you equally like, but it's not on sale, you're going to buy the on sale one, right? I mean, that's just the same with the stock market. You want to buy something when it's on sale, not when it's marked up. Like, who wants to pay $5 for gas when you could pay $1 for a gallon of gas? It just doesn't make sense.
Plus, when you start doing TA too, and you're kind of looking at maybe 5 different things consistently, throughout, your days or weeks or whatever you've been doing it. And, say one dips down below, far down below, and you're like, man, this was just up a lot, and then you can just think of it as, kind of a sale for that, to getting that, currency or coin or whatever. And, as a trader, you always, you wouldn't just throw all your money in right away, you maybe want to consider dollar cost averaging into something.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Rather than just say you have $500 to spend. Go, okay, well, I'm gonna put $200 in now and $200 in a week from now. Because for someone that doesn't do TA a lot, a lot of people just dollar cost average in because it's a lot easier that way. You don't really have to worry about knowing when it's up or down. You kind of just average that in um, to your valuation of what you think the coin's going to do.
What is that, dude? What is that? What is that, dude? What is
I
that?
know a lot of the information for this isn't even on here.
Okay, so I just want, yeah, let's just elaborate a little bit. I haven't even actually looked at this yet. This is hysterical. Okay, so remember what I was saying? What the important things were of tokenomics, just to make sure that they're not scams. Like they're not going to just disappear on you. Within the next 6 months. Like if you look back to 2017, I showed some of this in my last video. Oh, did you see that? Did you see the Bitcoin the deaths or whatever that I showed? Dead coins. The term dead coin is given to a crypto that don't exist anymore due to multiple reasons. For instance, they are used as a scam. Their website remains down. They have nodes or wallet issues. They have low liquidity or simply have been abandoned and their development has halted by their developers. So they literally someone can come out there and make these scam coins and funnel all this money in and then disappear. And then where's your money go? Who do you call? The Ghostbusters? Because the fucking government, excuse my language, the freaking government is not going to give you your money back. The FDIC is not going to ensure that. So if you go to like 99 Bitcoins, this literally has, I showed this on the last stream, I'm not going to get into it too much, but this literally shows you a whole 1,500 safe moons that were there and now they're gone. They're gone. All these coins. I mean, gone. 66 pages of dead coins. All right. So it's not like someone's targeting you and going, "Oh, this is the first coin I bought, Safe Moon." No, there's people out there getting scammed from this all the time, and people just don't get it. So, do your research. So look at the Safe Moon. What's the market cap? Question mark. Well, they're not going to release that information because it's not a real coin. The 24-hour trading volume is at 54,346,312. They're scamming that many people right now. 54,346,312 at a time. The circulating supply, I don't even know what is that number?
That's a 1 quadrillion.
I think that's more than a quadrillion.
No, it's 1 quadrillion. It's 1,000 trillions.
Oh, it's 1,000 trillions, huh? Yeah. That's a lot of trillions.
It's 1,000. And that's why I think they made it that way, so that way these people, they get, they spend a couple $100 and get all millions of coins, and they think this coin could be up to Bitcoin prices, and it's not even possible.
It's not possible. No. And what's happening really, people, here is, now that you've been seeing this for so long, Safe Moon was like the first one that they started shilling. But there's Safe Moon, Safe Mars, Safe Elon, Safe Star. I mean, okay, so realistically, without being a genius and just knowing a few things, the small things that I've done research on literally Google, I can tell you what they're probably doing. They're probably, they're allowing you to buy this coin. You probably can't exchange it for any other coin. And if you can, they're probably killing you on the interest rate to take it out, the fee. So say Joe buys $100 worth and that appreciates in value and goes up to $1,000, right? If he can even pull that money out, the only way that money is being returned is by when Bill buys into the scam and Bill's money goes to Joe. So it's literally just a circle of people swapping money and they're taking their cut constant. And they're going to keep shilling it and keep spreading it. Then every time they come out with a new Safe this or Mars or Moon or whatever, what's next? Safe Pluto? The more that they come out with these, it's a new one. It gains that many more buyers. That allows that many more people to be played off of. So there's, only so many people are realizing it's a scam, and then all the rest of the people are just holding on. Yeah, right. It's going to be gone. It's not a valued asset. It's not a good buy. I don't care what anybody says. Bash me if you want. It's terrible. And I feel bad for people who are buying it right now because they are spending their life savings on something that's going to go down to nothing. If you're going to buy something that's crap, buy Doge. At least it's good crap, you know. Um, but we're out here. We're not trying to scam people. We're trying to make people known of this, and it sucks because a lot of my friends are buying this right now. A lot of my friends think this is the coolest thing, SafeMoon, but they know nothing about crypto. There's a few of my friends I'm sure they do, but if you know anything about crypto, you're not buying SafeMoon. So that's enough about bashing SafeMoon. I just wanted to go on a rant again because my last stream got cut short because of some technical difficulties, and I didn't get to go off about my SafeMoon rant. So this fit better, anyways. I like this better. I had somebody with me to talk about it. We had definitely some more points to point out about the SafeMoons. Right? It's not so safe. So let's look at an asset that actually did do stuff today. Look. 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, we are up 26.98% on Bitcoin Cash. We are up 53.54%. And I know that's not 10,000% like SafeMoon, but these are realistic trading numbers. 26% of your money of an increase, 27%. That's great. That's amazing if you could put it in the morning and it's up 27.
It was higher. It was up
Yeah.
50% today.
It actually hit, let's just pull up this, it hit $1,484 today. $1,484. I do not like this chart. I have no idea what's going on with this.
Yeah.
Let's use this value chart over here. There we go. All right, so this is not the right one. That's Bitcoin Diamond. Sorry. All right. Go over the 4-hour time scale. All right, so Bitcoin Cash doing things. I got in at a pretty good price on this one. I do own this asset.
They can see it on the.
Yeah, I had that issue last time, and I wasn't correlating it very well. I did notice that. I apologize, viewers. So if you take a look at Bitcoin Cash, and I just took it off the screen again, didn't I? This is Bitcoin Cash, and this asset, I'm super bullish on. It's on PayPal. It's got a decent market cap, a decent circulating supply. The market cap right now has some expansion room. Okay. We could see Bitcoin Cash, I believe, double in price within the next year, at least. Now that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice, but it's already gone, and this is from where I bought it in. So obviously, I don't see it doubling from 1343, but I apologize for that. I should have said that. So I got in around 955 per Bitcoin Cash, and I definitely see it hitting 1800. It's not even that far off, really. 1533 is the 1618 extension, Fibonacci extension. If you were looking left, it has a lot of room. A lot of room. Look at where it came down from. Its all-time high. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be there again, but its all-time high was $3,499 per coin. And like I said, I got in around 955, which is right about here. And this is composite operator stuff, guys. This is this is where you'd want to gain your position, is somewhere down here. I mean, it's already been marked up. You know, just told you it's up 27% on the day. So even though I'm bullish on this and I own this asset, I have already made some money on this. You don't want to go FOMO into this trade, you know, but this is what you're looking for. I'm not going to get too into the technical. Here, I'll let Dibs do some TA. You can talk about some TA. I'm going to go take a bathroom break. You can do some TA on Bitcoin Cash.
So yeah, Bitcoin Cash, fellas. I personally think Bitcoin Cash definitely go back up to those levels, which was actually almost 4,300 up there. But as you can see, you know, right here, this bottom, you know, this is the composite acquiring his position over time. And then now he's marking it up. And crypto markets are just insane, man. They mark up like crazy like this, and you just can't stop it. Especially when Bitcoin's performing so well. Now it's kind of consolidating, and now you're seeing all these other things run. You know, like Ethereum Classic, which was kind of weird because it only hit 150 on Coinbase, so you had to have it on Coinbase to get that price for it. But yeah, man, it started out at what, $70, 70 to 150 in a few hours. Insane. Let's pull that up real quick. I wonder where it's at now. Crazy. All-time highs, man. $91. It's crazy, man. You know, you can just do some simple TA, you know. We plot like trend lines like that. Kind of get that thing going on. So say you were trying to get into Ethereum Classic, you know, but it just marked up like crazy. You know, you don't want to buy it yet, so you wait a little bit, right? And then you start building this kind of structure maybe, and then, you know, when you're down at the bottom here, where you touched it once, almost came to it these two times, but didn't quite make it, and then you kind of fell below it here, stayed up on it, riding it strong. You know, you could have been getting in right here for stupid markups. Yeah, just talking about Ethereum Classic today. Insane.
Yeah, that was another asset that was up crazy, stupendous amount.
Yeah, Ethereum Classic, Doge. What was the other one? There was a few on Bitcoin Diamond.
Yeah, Bitcoin Diamond was up quite a bit today.
Gold.
Yeah, I got Bitcoin Gold was up. I noticed that today. I didn't even talk to you about that one. I had one Bitcoin Gold, and it's looking pretty goldful.
Yeah. So. It's crazy. It's almost like the Doge chart. Looks like Ethereum Classic in a way. So you guys can see.
How many lovely viewers do we have going on right now?
I don't know, where do you see it at? Oh, we got one view.
One viewer, yeah.
Someone's viewing.
Say thank you. Say what's up, yo.
Thank you. What's up?
What's up, viewer? I haven't tested the chat yet.
Yeah, they're like, it's crazy. The Doge and Ethereum Classic, they look like the same chart, kind of. Like same consolidation. There's like a markup consolidation and then just stupid markup. Very interesting. You bounce off the what is that? Is that the 200 day or is that the 50 day?
So I think everybody would kind of. I think our one viewer right now would maybe appreciate if we were to talk about an asset that has not been marked up 26% today. Is there anything that you can think of off the top of your head that is not? Was there anything? What was the top? Some of the top losers today. What's been on sale?
Well, I know AMP. I picked up some AMP today.
Ample fourth.
Yeah, just for the simple fact that it wasn't up today. So I got me some AMP.
I also have one ample fourth.
It might be up on the day now, but it was only down like not even 1%. Yeah. See where it's been though. Man.
For those of you who don't know, Ampleforth was just listed on Coinbase. If you have a Coinbase account and you go into the Earn section, you can literally, in under 5 minutes, earn $3 worth of Ampleforth token just by answering 3 stupid questions. They're not stupid, but they're really easy. They're stupidly easy, I should say. But yeah, if you check out Coinbase, there's actually like $33, I believe, of free money you can earn just by answering some questions after watching a video. Check that out. You might need a new pair of shoes that mama won't get you, so you need to get that $33 from Coinbase so you can go purchase them new Walmart tennis shoes.
For sure. And Chainlink coming down and test that moving average again.
Is it?
That's interesting.
So I also wanted to do the beer of the stream. Bang! Sweet baby Jesus. That's the beer I'm drinking. Sweet baby Jesus. Yeah, it's delicious. This is brewed by I have the wrong name. This is actually not brewed by Left Hand Brew Co. He has the beer that's brewed by Left Hand Brew Co., which is the Peanut Butter Cup. I did a review on that last time. It was a 9. It's my favorite beer. What would you give it from 1 to 10, that peanut butter?
Definitely a 9 for me, too.
9? All right.
Definitely one of the better ones.
So this Sweet Baby Jesus is one of the many great beers that we've been drinking. And over here, we usually store them in our Bitcoin freezer. And if you could just duck your head to that way. Yep. We got our like and our subscribe and our bell here. Please smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and tap that bell if you could. The more likes and subscribers I get, I want to release the altcoin fridge. I want you guys to see what potential that has. as a tool, a trading tool, and I can't release it until I have enough viewers. Okay, so I'm gonna keep talking about this altcoin fridge, but I cannot open it and actually show what awesomeness is contained within it until I have at least my first 50 viewers. Okay, and it's a shame because I really want to open it. We'll probably end up doing a giveaway at sometime too. I have to figure out something I want to give away. My heart. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Taken. Taken. But so I wanted to talk about this Sweet Baby Jesus. It's chocolate peanut butter porter. It is delicious. 6.2 alcohol per volume. It is also a chocolate peanut butter cup beer. It is a porter, though, not a milk stout. So it's very smooth. I'd say it'd be best enjoyed cold. It's brewed by Dewclaw Brew Co. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I just simply like their beer, so I talk about it and stuff. So, I would give this probably. I give this one like a 7.5, strong 7.5. That's pretty good, like.
Yeah.
Just saying, 7.5. So I'm gonna put that into the stream so that we have it logged. If it will allow me to. There we go. I mean, strong 7.5. Faux show. And I'm going to change the brewer on that just because I don't want Left Hand Brew Co. getting credit for this, for the wrong rating here. What's this? So, Dewclaw. Respect the claw! Just kidding. I think they do make the claw, the White Claws, don't they? Dewclaw? White Claw?
I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure Dewclaw makes White Claw, but I'm not sure. So anyways, what are you looking at? Chain Link?
Yeah, I think that was another one that did well today, but as we can see, it's pulled back down in the latest 4 hour.
Dang, look at the consolidation on that. That's beautiful. Oh, there we go. That looks better. Wow, this one really hasn't done anything yet, has it?
Did it just load in?
What? Oh.
Yeah, I think it wasn't loaded in at first.
Okay. So, like, obviously, you see this big U shape?
You want to kind of get, you want to watch the screen.
Yeah, I'm working on that. So, this asset has been marked up to 21%. Let's see. 21 cents. Let's see what else we got here. Do we have any cryptos that haven't
no,
done
see,
this yet?
So, like, when you're looking at an asset, you want to get in, somewhere
down here,
somewhere at the bottom somewhere.
If you guys don't know, I'm having.
You want to get in before that thing's cool and popping.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the moon, right? That everybody talks about, the moon. Well, what we talk about on this channel specifically is how not to buy here and lose all your money, and how to buy here where the value is. So if you guys were wondering where we're getting to with all this blabber jabber, it's explaining these things. So but yeah, let's keep looking. What else we got? We got the Doge. I want to find something that's just not like rocketing today. This is another topic that I wanted to talk about too. Was Crow. Okay. I'd say this.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like the last chart we just looked at.
Yeah, right. Let me try to get this on the screen so you guys can see this here. Let me try this. There we go. Perfect. All right, so don't mind my whole little portfolio up here. All right, so anyways, obviously on this asset, this is Crow. So you can see up here CRO to USD. This is the crypto native token for crypto.com. And you get tons of great staking rewards on crypto.com. I'm new to the program myself, but Dibs here has been experimenting a little bit with it. They're actually releasing a debit card pretty soon that will allow you to spend your crypto anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. And you will get what is like some of the benefits, like you get 100% rebate on Netflix, Spotify, and Hulu. 100% rebate. All right. 10% off all, or 10% back on all purchases made with your crypto.com card. You get discounts at like just stupendous discounts. It's crazy. It's like some of it's too hard to believe, but if you go there, check out crypto.com, read a little bit about it yourself. I don't really want to get into which, and I don't want to push anybody into a certain exchange or, you know, like me personally, I like to buy my coin and own it. I'm not a buy a pair, trade a pair type of coin. If I'm going to buy a coin, I'm putting it into a safe wallet. I'm not holding it on an exchange unless I'm staking. So, but anyways, the Crow coin. So, you want to do some T? You have this asset. I don't even have it. You want to talk about it?
Yeah. So I've been kind of dollar cost averaging into this one.
Yeah, that's a great way to get into Crow, dollar cost averaging. So if you don't know what that means, you got $100 you're going to buy in, 5 times with $20 instead of 1 time with 100, especially if you don't know what you're doing as far as reading these charts. They say you could actually, the math has supposedly been proven. I haven't done it myself. That's a Head and Shoulders right there, by the way. But anyways, so I've done some of the research myself, and I don't know where I was going with that. You go ahead and talk. That's beautiful right there. That just took my eyes away from what I was even thinking.
Yeah, so
that's beautiful.
I've been dollar cost and averaging into this for about, I want to say a month, maybe a little over a month. So I've been kind of having my eye on it.
Let me just ask: have you lost money on it?
No.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. Just figured we'd ask that question.
I bought literally $10 worth when I first got it. So
$10 worth.
And I was kind of watching it, and as you can see, it's been down a little bit. So I've been accumulating a lot at these levels. Buy a little bit here, a little bit here. I bought a little bit when it was down here. I got some more yesterday. But I think this one has a lot of potential, especially with the value it brings with the crypto.com exchange.
And it really hasn't been crazily marked up yet, right?
No, it hasn't. As you can see down here, we got some positive operator stuff, But yeah,
it's at ice line right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Critical ice line. You want to draw that in?
It's a little below it.
Well, I think it's a range. It's a range. I might even put 2 boxes there, right at the bottom of.
Yeah.
It's more.
This is kind of your zone right here.
I was thinking at the bottom of the Head and Shoulders, and if you're looking left,
Well, look at this. We got this touch in here that hits the bottom, kind of fell through here, then we kind of back tested it here.
No, yeah, you're right.
We hit
I
it
guess if
here.
you look more like pinpoint, but I was looking at more of a further back picture with the two Head and Shoulders and the I can't move it myself, but like the bottom of where you set that right there down at the bottom of that range, those lows.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. I just wanted to see like if that lined up with the Head and Shoulder, almost, and then that also that previous discernible low before the left shoulder there, the inverse Head and Shoulders. Yeah, I didn't see it. I couldn't see if it was straight or not, but I think you were right with your range there. Either way, it definitely is range bound. Once it breaks that range to the upside, I mean, we could definitely see a lot higher prices on CRO to US dollar.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think personally it could probably hit $1 this year. And I think that's even being a little conservative. Just because there's a lot of value that you get crazy rewards for it. On top of that, it's a crypto that hasn't marked up. You can get a coin for what's it right now? 18 cents. 18 cents you get one coin.
Yeah, 18 cents. I mean, low risk, high reward, right?
Yeah, and it's been kind of down. So now is probably a better time to buy than a week from now when it might be marked up.
Okay, so we at Crypto Construction / Underdog Investments. It's actually Underdog Investments at Crypto Construction, but regardless, we use MACD. So if you are using the chart, I know my video got broken up last time, so some of you viewers may have seen it, some of you may have not. But I talked a little bit about TradingView and how if you need to look into a chart that does not have all the information that you need, you can go to TradingView for free and get the information there. Like, for example, Cash App. You're buying on Cash App. They don't really give you much. You can come here, check it out, go back to Cash App, make your purchase, and feel comfortable about it, right? So, so if you go into FX indicators up at the top, indicators and strategies, these are basically the tools that you use to make valued trades, right? Is indicators and strategies. So you want to type in MACD, MACD. There's MACD strategy and there's MACD. You're going to want to click on the MACD. I'll actually star that. You're going to want to click on the MACD. It's going to pop up. Hold on, I'm loading. Oh, I got to pop up. I got to pop up.
Stupid pop-ups.
Figures.
It's right there. Start.
Oh, is that what happens? It's on the front page now? Yeah. Okay, so did it show up now? No.
That's weird. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm lagging a little bit.
Go to favorites. Yeah.
There we go. Oh, wow. I got... How many MACDs do we need now? And where did the RSI come from? I didn't even type that in.
I don't know.
I didn't even type that in yet. It's ruining it for me. Someone's messing with me here. Not cool, guys. Just kidding. Okay, so we got the MACD here. If we bring up the MACD on the screen, it's a bunch of... It looks like somebody is like a heartbeat sensor maybe at a hospital, or... and that's a very good reference to how it makes you feel, FOMO, right? But... this is not a guitar, notes. This is not a heartbeat sensor. This is buyers and sellers. This is the strength of the buyers and sellers. No, this is the volume of the buyers and sellers, right?
Yep.
So when you're looking at this, you're seeing these red candles and white candles down here, and you see the green candles and white candles up here. So these green and white ones. This is bullish volume, and the red ones are bearish volume. Okay, and then these lines here are the EMAs of the MACD. So this is the buyer. The buyers is the blue line, and the sellers is the yellow line. And usually, when you see a cross of the two, it changes, right? So, if you're looking over here, blue and yellow are following each other, consolidating next to each other. Boom, they cross right here. What happens? Goes bearish. It gains high volume of seller momentum compared to buyer momentum, right? There's a huge volume of seller's momentum right there. And then they cross again, right here, right below zero. See, this is the middle of these two ranges of the green and the red going this way, that's zero. So if it crosses under zero, it's usually going back above zero. And if it crosses over zero, it's usually going back below zero. Sometimes you can see a double cross here. But these are just, I'm not going to get too far into this. I can spend a whole stream talking about just the MACD and different ways to use it to trade. But really what you're looking for is when it's about to go positive, right? You're trying to make sure that your price action of whatever asset that you're buying is falling into a sequence of when this is about to cross. Because depending on which way you're going, I mean, most people don't want to be shorting crypto because it's just not the smartest thing.
Looks like it's making its way up there now.
Yeah. It's as you can see here, you can even draw trend lines. A trend is your friend, right? You want to know what the trend is that it's following. So, from here to here, you can see there's lower levels of seller volume, lower levels of negative Momo, right? And that's good. That's good. That means that this asset could potentially be going green soon. And that's what we would want to see as traders. It's almost got triple MACD bullish convergence right there. Triple top. It doesn't exactly hit it, but
yeah,
that would be sweet. But yeah, I definitely think with Crow to USD, that Dibs was talking about the thing. So you can talk about it. Sorry, I mean to take it from you. I just wanted to get the MACD on there so that way everybody could look at that while you were talking about this nice head and shoulders pattern here.
Right. Yeah, I mean, yeah, a lot of potential for Crow. Comes with a lot of benefits. I would check out, crypto.com if you're thinking about buying some crypto. Check out a few others too. I like, we mess with Atomic Wallet, Coinbase. There's tons of exchanges out there, right? But
be careful of scam exchanges. That is also a thing. You could be buying real assets on a scam exchange. If you don't know what you're doing and you don't know where you're buying or why you're buying it, don't buy it. Right? We know that. Sorry, go ahead.
You're good. Yeah, just do your due diligence in your research. You'll find that a lot of these bigger exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com, they have a lot of real banks and real institutions and financial institutions backing them, and other crypto projects backing them. So that's what you want to see. You want to make sure that when you put your money in, that you're going to be able to get your money out.
Yeah.
So
safe man. Sorry.
Yeah, you want to make sure you don't lose 10% of your money if you sell it either.
Yeah, there should not be a fee. I mean, there's always going to be fees involved, right? But you should not be paying crazy fees to cash out. Like, you know, if you were to buy a coin on Atomic Wallet, for example, that's one of the ones that I really like. They're charging you $30 or 30% fees or something like that. It's crazy. It's stupid. You shouldn't be paying that. That's what happens when you have a third party exchange controlling your rates, right? It just they don't know what they're doing. They're trying to just funnel in a bunch of money. It's a very good wallet. They have very good customer support. It's a centralized wallet though. It's not a decentralized wallet. So um, it is a DeFi wallet because your wallet addresses are yours. You own the mnemonic passphrases, but in the sense of someone else it always kind of has control of your asset. It's more centralized. So just like Binance is a centralized exchange. They're not bad things. You have more security when it comes to centralized exchanges, but they also have more say so on what you can do. They can control how many limits you're putting in, what times you can trade. I mean, Robinhood, I don't know if this is true. I got out of Robinhood. I was tired of their crap, but I heard that Robinhood stopped Dogecoin trading. Like, what? You really are so pathetic that you had to stop trading on a meme asset so people that are low income can't make a couple bucks? What people you can't just allow people to make a little bit of money. Now, if you own Dogecoin in your own cold wallet or your own crypto.com account, they don't ever freeze your assets. Okay, you can trade Christmas morning. You can trade at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. On Hanukkah or whatever. You can trade whenever you want. There's no holds on anything. Okay, Robinhood is a scam. Any Bitcoin or coin that you're purchasing on their exchange is owned by them, and they are earning all of the staking rewards. They are getting all these benefits and all these things that people get from these coins. That is passive income. And I make money every day just by I could sit at home and I would make money every day just because I have enough staking going on. It's not much. I'm not saying it's $50 a day or $300 a day, but it could be eventually. I'm still making passive income. I'm literally making money while I'm making money. That's why we do these things, right? We want to try to get ahead in the world. And I think that's part of the reason that it takes a little dedication. You can go into the coin market and you can be like, oh, hype, oh, I got this, oh, I got that. But if you really want to be a part of the future of crypto and be successful in the future, I would suggest buying a coin that has a utility value, with a low market cap, or if it can't touch Ethereum or Bitcoin before it reaches like $1.50, then it's probably not a great asset. Or no, I think I said that backwards. But you know what I was saying, right?
Yeah.
Like, you're not going to get Dogecoin is not going to surpass Bitcoin in market cap of money. It's not going to go over $1 trillion. It will never, ever do that. There is no way, that could ever happen. And I think once everybody starts to realize that in their new trader minds that can't happen, you might be looking at assets like crypto.com where you're receiving value. And there's benefits for staking. You're getting money back and you're saving money. Plus, you're gaining interest on things. Like, this is a good coin. It's got a good utility. They have a whole debit card system associated with this,
I just kind of wanted to go back to the SafeMoon thing real quick, talking about like the utility of SafeMoon. So, it really only benefits the long-term holders. So it's pretty much a pyramid scheme to where they penalize the people that sell and they benefit the people that hold. So as it goes up, per se, what's going to incentivize someone new to come in and be like, oh, I want to get in on this when um, they're going to be penalized to sell, and really they're only going to be benefiting the people that have bought it before. And when you get in on it, it's not guaranteed to continue to go up. So what does that incentivize new investors to come in and keep running it up? If that's the only thing that's going to drive it, oh yeah, buy and hold, buy and hold. But what's the real utility of that? Is none. You're really just trying to take money from other people. Try to get them in on it, and you're a long term holder, so it only benefits you. But for a new investor to come in and try to get in on it is, if that's the only utility it has no real value.
I agree. I definitely agree. Sorry, I'm trying to set up some price targets here.
You're good.
Where one could take profits if they want to on crypto.com.
Yeah, plotted at the first target there at the old high, pretty much.
Yep, right there.
Old candle close high, and then second price target up there.
Yeah, and that's
that little wick up there.
It's a full 100%. What is that?
It would be a full 100%, but it'd be probably that's probably like 50% or so.
Well, it is 100% because it's 100% of the value that I drew. So that's what I would.
That fib ratio.
Yeah. So that was just stupid. It was kind of a dumb thing to say. That's why I didn't finish my sentence. But yeah, so like you could buy Crow to USD if you just wanted to make money on it, right, Moon Boys? You could set a stop loss below maybe like 16 cents. Just below this. Get this how I want it here. You could, one could take a stop loss and set it around 16 cents. So look at that red there. That's your risk, okay? Low risk, high reward areas. So so you would want to buy, if you were going to buy this asset at a valued area, you could set your stop loss around 16 cents. Very low risk here. That red is your risk, and then your reward. You'd want to take profit at the very first target, which would be the 786, and the price target for that is
24 cents.
24 cents. Yeah. So, dude, my eyes are like super tired. I worked all day, and then these lights are like so bright, dude. Just
You're
right
good. You can see here on the left, you got your first green thing. That's your first price target right there, and then this second one would be your second price target.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then obviously these green lines here and the red, it shows the reds there. So your second price target there is about 27 cents.
Yeah, it needs to be raised a little bit. I didn't quite get. Okay, it's hard for me to see it, dude.
It's about lights, 27 cents.
Yeah, 27.3. Can you put a third price target on there if we were to get to one? What you would?
Yeah, if we were gonna do a third price target, I think maybe the
1272.
It's crypto, so how about we do
safe traditional targets? We're not trying to draw on the Moon Boys, traditional targets, and that's still great.
You could, 1272. Right there at about 31 cents. I was thinking maybe the 1618.
Yeah.
Up there at 36 cents.
Yeah, it is crypto for sure.
The 1618 is it gets hit and exceeded a lot of times in crypto. But yeah, if I wanted to be conservative, go to 1272. Um, for me personally, I'm just holding it. I'm just accumulating it and holding it for just a long time so I get all those staking rewards.
All the benefits, yeah.
Because I like the platform crypto.com, and they give you if you stake it, they give you 6% back. So on the year. So and what I like about crypto.com too is you can stake your like bitcoins and stuff or anything else that you think you couldn't stake, you can stake. A lot of those altcoins though you only get 2% on, but like Bitcoin they'll give you 4.5% on your Bitcoin, which is nice.
Yeah, we talked about a few assets last stream that was my term of the day was staking. Like I said, my stream got a little. It's actually broken apart into two videos. So if you go to Twitch, you can actually view the first part of the video and the second part of the video, and the second part is definitely longer. YouTube didn't. I'm having technical issues with YouTube right now, so hopefully this stream goes pretty well. I'm still new to the game here. But please feel free to leave comments or requests, or if you want us to look at something, we'll look at something for you. Try to give you an opinion on it. What's up with the chat, dude? Is there anybody in the chat?
No one in the chat.
How do you type in the chat?
You're live on YouTube now, right?
Yeah. I should be live on YouTube. Am I live on YouTube?
I'm about to look it up and see if we can see a comment. Says we got 2 viewers.
So yeah, if we're going to take a trade on Crota USD, like I said, there's a lot of good things you can gain from staking rewards, but your first target could be 24 cents. Your second target could be 27.3 cents, and your third target is probably going to be around either the 1618 or the 1272, which would be 31 cents or 36 cents. We've seen in the crypto market, obviously, those targets get smashed all the time. It's not guaranteed that it could go up. You could come back down and see a retest, because it never did retest. I don't want that. It never did come back down and retest this old resistance line here as support before it ran again. I guess it kind of did right there. Actually, yeah, that's beautiful. It did backtest spring. So you got this high, and it was rejected here at about 8 cents, and then it was rejected again at around 8 cents, and it was rejected again at around 8 cents. And what happened? It finally broke through that 8 cents, and then it back tested that 8 cents. And it back test of the spring, and then you had a confirmation low after a back test of a spring of a critical ice line going left. And then you had this huge markup, right? Boom. Look at that moon right there. Moon. All right.
And then now you're just consolidating before your next big markup.
This is consolidation, guys, if you don't know. So this is accumulation. So this right here, this means that it's being bought up. The supply is being bought up. Okay, so when the supply starts to run out, what's going to happen? It's going to drive the demand up. And as the demand goes up, what happens to the price? Drives the price up. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Wasn't there a brush over here?
Yeah, it's one of those. I think it's go to the text, the T.
No, dude, it's usually like.
Go to the curve.
Oh, there it is. Okay. So, and we could see this asset come up here and let me see here. We could see this asset. Sorry. It's a long day for me. I'm super tired and these lights are just killing my eyes for real. This asset could come up, hit this first price target, come down a little bit, back test this old line at 21 cents, and then run to the second price target. We might see it come back and back test 24 cents before we see it hit either the 1272 here or the 1618. Okay, now that's being pretty generous. You know, I think we could definitely see. Oops, I didn't mean to put that big down there, but you know, we could definitely see this over time. There's no guarantee that this could happen. You know, it could definitely go the other way and try to go and back test this 9 cents again before running to higher prices. But I would say over a long term, this is probably a pretty good low risk, high reward area if you were looking for one. Okay. Now that's not a guarantee. You know, like this could just dump. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, so but I would say definitely, you know, there's a reason why we're talking about it. You know, yeah, you do some more talking. I'm gonna
I'm not ready to wrap it up.
wrap it up. Oh man,
Not for like an hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and 20 minutes. All right. Yeah, we could get ready to wrap it up. So, I think we covered tokenomics, we covered TA a little bit, covered the term of the day, the beer review. I write down the rating for the beer review, which was a 7.5. And all right. Well, anyways, thank you for coming out and supporting our stream. We will definitely be back to trash talk Safe Moon, and we'll definitely be back to talk about good valued assets. I'm trying to come up with a streaming schedule right now to where I will go live every other day or every couple days at the same time. It's just been kind of rough with the scheduling the past few days. I run my own business as well, so it's just been a little nuts. So if you liked what you seen, please click the like and subscribe, smash that bell, and we have a lot of great content coming your way. You know, only 5% roughly of the world's entire money system is in crypto right now. So, you know, there's a huge room for growth in this market, and I think we're far from over on these bull runs. So I just want to thank you for coming out. You have anything closing messages?
Thanks guys for coming out. I think it was a good stream.
Did you enjoy your peanut butter cup?
It was delicious, man. It is every time.
All right. Thank you guys. Have a good stream or a good night. Thanks for coming to watch the stream.